Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and today's video ay magtikim tayo ng strawberry taho. Dito lang yan sa Baguio City, Philippines. So, ask natin si Manny.
Sarap.
The original strawberry ube.
Strawberry talaga yan, kuya? Na
Yes,
ginawang ano? Yung...
Ginawa natin sauce. Strawberry ba?
Patingin, oo. Strawberry ba yun? Oh, strawberry yung sa akin. Wow.
Strawberry nga.
Yung iba kasi flavoring.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Mainit ha.
Okay.
Biglaan mo. Bigla ka rin.
Let's try lang if you like it or not. It's like an ice cream. I-shake pala, Danay. I-shake mo. It's a pure strawberry, balabi. Sige. So, do you like it? You don't like it?
There's strawberry inside.
I know. It's a pure strawberry. You don't like it?
No.
Try. No. Si Mami ma-try. Yummy.
You didn't even try it yet.
So sweet.
Hindi ko yan. How does it taste like?
I love it.
I don't like it. I hate the whole.
I like this rather than the caramel one.
That's the taste.
And have this, guys, with pure strawberry inside.
Mommy, you're breaking the strawberry.
Eh, yan ang baby. Focus na blabi. This. Wow. Sa strawberry jam. Yummy. Di daddy. Try it.
Init pa ba?
Gani namit. Namit?
Namit.
Namit? Diba? I like it also.
For it's only 50 pesos guys. As in, masarap siya. Sobra. Yung fresh, pati yung fresh na strawberry na ginawang jam plus the taho itself. Habang init pa, nag-blend yung parang tabang na sweet na hindi mo basta ma-explain. Basta ang sarap niya lang talaga. So, hindi naman siya masyadong matamis.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, that's for now. Thank you. Bye-bye, Baguio. We're going down now. Bye.
Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye! Bye!